Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is June 29, 2016, and today is Wednesday morning. So looking at the economic calendar today, just a couple of things coming out. Euro Summit, which is happening all day again today, day number 2. So that should affect the euro. We'll discuss that. And then at 4:30 p.m. we have crude oil prices coming out. I just wanted to say just a short word that CMTrading extends their heartfelt prayers and good wishes to the Turkish people learning about what happened yesterday, late last night. Very devastating news, and we just our best wishes to those families affected by yesterday's terrorist attack. Going back into the markets, let's look at the EURUSD. EURUSD trading at 110.58, as you can see here, literally right here in the middle of this 111 to 110.15-ish level. So we're right in the smack in the middle of it. So it's really hard to say where to jump into it. As you can see, we're right here in between these two levels. I mean, we've been quite in a tight range the past couple of days, and look like we're flatlining after last week's debacle, if you'd like to call it. But there are other things that are trading. If we're looking at gold here, gold up 8 points just in the couple of, since this morning. So it looks like it's inching up. Let's see if it continues going back to 1333, excuse me. Remember last week we had this massive move up to 1358-ish level. So again, you got to keep an eye on it. Let's see how it unfolds, and let's see if there'll be continuing buying. Looking at the Dow Jones, the Dow fared pretty well yesterday, up 100 and so points, and as you can see, it's inching back to its highs again. So ultimately it looks like it wants to get back up there to the 17,500-ish level, but let's see how long it'll take until we get there. So the Dow Jones will be affected by Brexit, but I don't think that much. So it could be that we'll inching back one piece by piece. Looking at the USDCAD, also trading a 130, excuse me. It's been trading in this range for the last couple of days. On the low side, I would say 129, 60-ish level, and on the high side 3103. So it's been trading in a decent range, so you might want to just pick it up as it closes in on the downside of the range, but also trading within that range. Looking at the GBP Japanese yen, let's see what's going on over there. We had a little bit of a sell-off this morning, 100 pip sell-off. Doesn't look so big compared to this massive move, but in actuality it is actually kind of big. As you can see, we sold off from 136-ish, 137-ish level to 136. So it doesn't look like a massive move compared to this 1,000 pip change, but for our sakes it is actually a more interesting move when it hit this 136. A little bit of a support level, previous resistance, so maybe subsequent support here at 136. I'd like to see if it does hold that level. So I mean, it's still kind of hard to anticipate what's going to go in the market, just because things are still reeling from last week, and you got to keep an eye on it to really see how it's going to unfold. Looking at oil here, oil trading back at $48 a barrel. We actually sold off the past few days and last week, hitting a low of $46 a barrel, and we're 48.20. So let's see when the inventory numbers come out today how we're holding steady. This is Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.